Mastering Power Laws 41 to 44. Power doesn't follow the rules of time, it rewrites them. It bends to those who understand its nature, its ebb and flow. In these next 4 laws, we unlock how the powerful outmaneuver legacy, shape perception, and harness the psychology of dominance. We journey deep into the heart of influence, where mastery is found not in brute force, but in the subtlest of arts. Are you ready to see the world through new eyes?
Law 41, what is legacy? Is it the shadow cast by giants or the echoes left in their wake? To step into a great person's shoes is to invite constant comparison, to forever be measured against a standard you did not set. The weight of expectation can crush even the most ambitious soul. To truly master power, one must forge a new path, not retrace the steps of another. Be the architect of your own destiny, not the caretaker of someone else's. Imagine a city skyline evolving over generations, each new structure a testament to the spirit of its time. Would you rather be the architect who merely maintains the old, or the visionary who dares to build something entirely new? Break free from the shackles of the past. Embrace the unknown, the unconventional. Be the disruptor, the innovator, the one who defines their own measure of greatness.
To Law 42, power rarely resides in the masses. More often it concentrates in the hands of a single influential figure, the shepherd, guiding the flock. But what happens when the shepherd stumbles? Influence, like any structure, has its pressure points. Identify them. The key figure, the binding ideology, the linchpin that holds the whole system together. Remove it and the structure crumbles. Look beyond the surface, the noise and chaos of the crowd. See the subtle threads of control, the puppet master behind the curtain. To dismantle power, you must first understand its source. Disrupt the flow of influence. Sow seeds of doubt. Expose vulnerabilities, or remove the figurehead entirely. Master this, and you master the art of strategic dismantling.
Law 43. True power is not coerced, it is earned. It's not about wielding fear, but inspiring belief. People are not pawns to be manipulated, but hearts and minds to be won. Fear breeds resentment, a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. Genuine loyalty, on the other hand, is an unbreakable bond. Speak to people's desires, their aspirations, their need to belong to something greater than themselves. Consider the game of chess. The queen, the most powerful piece on the board, doesn't rely on brute force alone. She moves strategically, influencing the entire game with her presence. Plant the seeds of your vision in fertile ground. Nurture them with understanding, empathy, and a shared sense of purpose. Once you have won the hearts and minds of others, their actions will follow.
Law 44. Have you ever stood before a mirror, your reflection staring back with an unsettling familiarity? Now imagine that mirror reflecting not your physical form, but your enemy's actions, their strategies laid bare. The mirror effect is disarming. It forces your opponent to confront their own tactics, their own flaws. It creates confusion, hesitation, and ultimately cracks in their facade. To master this law is to become a phantom, a whisper in the wind. You become less a target and more a force that bends and redirects the actions of others. In the game of power, the most effective weapon is often the one your opponent wields against themselves. Master the art of reflection, and you master the art of subtle victory.
True power is not a weapon you brandish, but a force you cultivate. It's about observation, adaptation, and understanding the delicate balance of influence. As we've explored these laws, which resonated deepest within you, which revealed a truth you hadn't seen before, share your insights in the comments below. If you found value in this exploration of power, like this video, and subscribe to continue the journey with us. The path to mastery is a winding one, but together, we'll navigate its every turn.